Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can delete custom fields or how you can delete columns in Wrike. So let's start. There is like multiple ways how you can do it, like only one way how you can do it. You need to be in Wrike dashboard, like for example table here, and then click on a gear icon next to the title. And then you have options to actually delete all the things that you want. And voila, here I got only tasks. So again, this is how you do it. And yep, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.